Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got a bad watch face to check out by Prado Design. My man is steady getting creative. He's raising the bar continuously. You're gonna like this one. But before we get started, I just wanted to give you a heads up that we got our very first watch face with Google Assistant inside. I'm telling you, it's fun, it's nice, and it's convenient. I will leave a link in the description down below for you guys to go check that out. And with that being said, let's kick off this review. Let's kick off this review. The name of the watch face is called Delta 7 2.0. This is a definite upgrade from the original. My man got down on the layout and the design on this watch face. I'm going to give him 4 thumbs up in the door for creativity. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look. You're going to get colorful hands with a nice black background. Now, once the watch face is lit up, here's what you're going to be greeted with. A modern look so far as analog time is concerned. You got nice premium analog hands that are lit up and it's blended in with a nice legible digital time, which I love. The design of this watch face is off the charts. Now up at the top, you are going to get its logo. I like the fact that it's not overwhelming, and you're going to get your date information as well alongside with your calories burned. Now if you come down, you're going to get your step information, your heart rate, and also your steps, and all your information is going to be here. You don't have to go into anything if you don't choose to. Not a bad look for a casual watch face. Now the watch face is interactive, so if you do need to go into your steps, you can single tap and it'll take you into your status. If you need to see more of your step information like calories burned, of course steps, floors climbed, how long you walked, your stress, and things of that nature, you can get to that too. Same thing with your heart rate, your battery info, and floors climbed. So you get everything that you need that's geared toward fitness right here in one watch face. Now, what I like about the watch face is that you can customize it to tie into whatever running outfit or whatever outfit that you may have on for the day. If I double tap on the 7, I can change the color of the hour hand. You got many different colors to choose from, and you can mix and match if you want to. If I tap on the 5, I can change the color of the minute hand as well. Now in the middle, I can customize the icons of my step status info, which I thought was super cool. My man, I'm telling you, he really did his thing with this watch face. Now that's going to be it for this video, but before I go, this is what the watch face looks, Delta 7, the original. Now it had the exact same look, same functions, but you get funky looking analog hands that kind of spices up the watch face a little bit more, to me in my opinion. So depending on which one you like, you have choices today. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.